Welcome back, lovelies. Welcome back to Wellpers TV. Today we're exploring another exciting job listing with No Gigdy. As usual, the job listing link will be on the comment section and the description box. Today we're looking at this chat support agent. It's an opportunity that is fully remote, entry level, which means there's no degree required, and they are paying $15 to $18 per hour. The good thing about entry level is the expectations is not a lot. It's not as much as when you are already experienced. So they're kind of like lenient with expectations. And sometimes even if you don't meet the expectations, they tend to, just let go or overlook that, provided you can also demonstrate that you are someone who can perform that job. Okay, so on this job listing today, quickly, the job descriptions is asking, are you looking to kickstart your career? This tells you that it's open to the entry level as talked about. All right, so they are open to someone who's starting their career. In this case, nobody is asking you for 10 years experience or 20 years. So this might be the right job for you to get your foot into customer support service job. Okay, and they said if you are looking to kickstart your career in customer support without the need for degree or prior experience, you see that it's a look no further. Okay, No Gigdy is seeking enthusiastic and dedicated individuals to join their team as chat support agent. Okay, in this entry level role, you will be the first point of contact for our users, providing top notch support and ensuring seamless experience for all. So, guys, that it's basically the summary of the job description, and your responsibility here will be to respond to customer inquiries via chat in a timely and professional manners. So in other words, it's just gonna be chat support. There's no phone calls here, guys. It said provide accurate information about No Gigdy services and job opportunities. Assist users with navigating our platform and resolving any issues they encounter. Okay. Maintain a high level of customer satisfaction through excellent communication and problem solving. Collaborate with team members to continuously improve support process. Document and escalate complex issues to the appropriate department when necessary. And they said participate in training section. So requirement, no degree required. Okay, no prior experience needed. Guy, what else are we looking for here? Excellence, written communication, positive attitudes, and willingness to learn. Benefit will be competitive hourly pay, flexible work from home schedule, comprehensive training program, opportunities for growth and advancement within the company, which tells you that you have that room for growth, okay? And supportive team environment, access to exclusive gig opportunity. Guys, this right here is something you can give a shot if you are someone interested in getting into customer support, chat support agent. If you are interested in remote and entry level, this right here will be a great one to start with. And then you want to click on apply for this job, and that brings you to this page where you're going to apply. And to apply is pretty simple. As you can see, they require your first name, last name, email, and that's it. Phone number is optional. And you want to import your resume, and that's it. You click from my computer and you upload your resume. After that, you want to click on submit application. So lovely, are you ready to take control of your career today with No Gigdy? where flexibility and earning potential meet. Okay, head on to this website, explore all they have listed, and apply. Okay, you can get a job without applying, and it's time to quit the talking and do the doing. Okay, all right, lovely. Subscribe to our channel for more updates on remote job opportunities that pay well. And until next time, stay financially empowered.